Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your email address on Overstock. If you don't have an Overstock account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website overstock.com. Here, you will see an option for account. Click on Account. On the pop-up window, you will see a section for Sign In. Then, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the top right side of the screen. Click on the option that says Account. Then you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Account Settings. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Email and Password. Click on Email and Password. Now you will see a section for email address. Beside your email address, you will see an Edit button. Click on Edit. On the field provided, enter the new email address you wish to use. Then enter your password on the second field. After entering, click on the Save button. That's how you change your email address on Overstock. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.